Hello guys and welcome to Moto World India. So as you guys know, there is an increasing demand for sub 4 meter SUV segment in India. So today we are going to discuss about 6 upcoming SUVs in next 6 months.
Kia Sonet at effective pricing of Rs 8 lakhs onwards. It is slightly classier sibling to well-equipped Hyundai Venue. It offers 10.25-inch of touchscreen infotainment unit with amazing Bose sound system. We are hoping it to get 1.5-liter diesel and 1-liter turbocharged petrol engine coupled with manual as well as automatic transmission. Also, it might even offer a special GT line trim for turbo petrol like the Seltos, expecting launch around the August. Second, we have Nissan Magnite at affordable pricing of rupees 5.5 lakhs onwards. It will be based on same platform as the Renault Triber, allowing for a generously spacious cabin. We are expecting it to get a sunroof, a large touchscreen, digital instrument cluster and 4 airbags for safety. Talking about the engine, it will be powered by naturally aspirated or turbocharged 1-liter petrol engine coupled with manual and automatic transmission, expecting launch around September. On the list, third we have Renault Kiger at pricing of rupees 6 lakhs onwards. The Kiger is same as Nissan Magnite with some of the cosmetic changes to interior and exterior, with same engine, expecting to launch around October. On the list, fourth we have Tata HBX at affordable pricing of rupees 5 lakhs onwards. The HBX is promising in terms of looks, features and packaging, but unlike other sub 4 meter SUVs, this micro SUV will be competing with Maruti Ignis, but it looks bit more rugged. Talking about the engine, it gets petrol powered 1.2 liter Revotron, same as Altroz, expecting to launch around late 2020. On the list, fifth we have Mahindra XUV 300 Sports at pricing around 12.5 lakhs onwards. It will come with TGDI 1.2 liters which produces 130 PS of power with 6-speed manual and AMT option as well. It will be same as previous XUV 300 with some sporty cosmetic changes, expecting to launch on October. On the list, last we have Toyota Urban Cruiser at pricing of rupees 8 lakhs onwards. It is based on Maruti Brezza. As we all know, Maruti and Toyota alliance. It will be getting same 1.5 liters petrol engine with mild hybrid tech with choice of manual and automatic transmission and similar specs as its Maruti donor, but we are hoping to get some more cosmetic changes besides the badging. Unlike the Baleno and Glanza, we are expecting to launch it on September.
Hope you guys like our video. Please do comment down below what you think about these 6 SUVs which are going to come in Indian market in next 6 months. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you guys in next video. Take care.